In this video, I am going to show you the unboxing of Healthsense Bluetooth smart scale. The model number of this smart scale is BS161. I already have BS171 scale at home. So this is my second smart scale from Healthsense. This is how the box looks. At the back you can see that it is showing that you can download the app from the App Store or Play Store. These are some of the features. So without wasting any time, let's open the scale from the box. The price mentioned on the box is 1800, but you can get it for approximately 800 or 900 depending upon offer. On opening the box, you will find some booklets. There is a user manual on how to use this scale. The scale looks like this. It is also glass. At the back, the scale looks like this. Here you can see the rubber cushion, and here you can see the model number BS161. Here is a quick start guide. It comes with 3 batteries. Here is a button to change the units. You can check in pounds or kgs. You need to press this button. Here you can see that it is currently showing in kgs. When you apply some pressure on the 4 electrodes, weight is changing. Currently the weight is in kgs. If you want the weight in pounds, you need to press this button once. It will change to pounds lb. If you want to change it to kgs again, press this button once more. It will be shown in kgs. As I said, it is made up of glass, so you cannot use roughly. You need to use it with utmost care. After signing into the Movinglife app and filling in the details, it will give you 2 options: smart body scale or smart measuring tape. You need to click on smart body scale. Click on next. Now it is searching for the device. To search for the device, you need to climb on the weighing scale, then only the smart scale will be shown in the app. Click on bind. Click on go to measurement. Here you can see that. Click on measure immediately. Here it will show your body weight and it will give you some measurements over here. If you want to check the complete body measurements, click on more. It will show you the body percentage, protein percentage, muscle fat, visceral fat, so on. But these are not accurate. The main purpose for which I bought this smart scale is to check my body weight. That's it, not for other measurements. So that's it guys. Here is a short unboxing video of Healthsense BS161 smart scale. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.